Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we're delving into the world of contemporary elegance, where modern sophistication meets timeless beauty. If you're looking to create a kitchen that blends style and functionality seamlessly, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. Let's explore how to craft a kitchen that embodies sleek design and refined luxury. Contemporary elegance is all about merging sleek, modern lines with luxurious details. This style harmonizes high-quality materials with clean aesthetics to create a space that feels both inviting and sophisticated. Imagine a kitchen where every detail reflects effortless beauty and functionality, combining form and purpose seamlessly. Picture sleek, high-gloss or matte finish cabinets in a neutral palette like white, gray, or navy. These cabinets offer a streamlined and sophisticated look, anchoring the kitchen in modern elegance. Minimal hardware and frameless designs enhance the clean aesthetic, allowing the cabinetry's beauty to shine. For an added touch of refinement, consider integrated handles or push-to-open mechanisms for a seamless appearance. Imagine luxurious countertops made from quartz, marble, or granite. These surfaces should feature subtle veining or a polished finish, adding a touch of opulence while ensuring durability. A waterfall edge on an island or a backsplash that extends to the ceiling can create a cohesive and striking look. The choice of material not only enhances visual appeal, but also offers practical benefits, making your kitchen both beautiful and functional. Think about elegant geometric or glass tiles that add texture and light to your kitchen. These backsplashes act as a focal point, complementing the overall design while enhancing luminosity. Opt for tiles with reflective surfaces or intricate patterns to brighten the space and create a sense of openness. Subtle metallic accents or marble mosaics can add a hint of glamour without overwhelming the design. Modern pendant lights and recessed lighting are crucial in achieving contemporary elegance. Envision sleek fixtures that provide unobtrusive yet effective illumination. Pendant lights with clean lines or geometric shapes can serve as statement pieces, while recessed lighting offers even, ambient light. Under cabinet lighting adds a warm glow, highlighting countertops and creating a welcoming atmosphere throughout the kitchen. Integrated or built-in appliances should blend seamlessly with cabinetry, maintaining the sleek look of the kitchen. Imagine appliances designed to complement the cabinetry's elegance, with finishes that match or enhance the overall aesthetic. Built-in refrigerators, dishwashers, and cooktops can integrate smoothly with the kitchen's design, providing functionality while preserving a cohesive and modern appearance. A sophisticated color palette is essential for contemporary elegance. Visualize a harmonious mix of neutral tones such as white, gray, and beige, with occasional bold accents or metallic finishes. This palette creates a balanced and elegant environment, allowing each design element to stand out. Soft, muted colors can enhance the kitchen's sense of calm and space, while bold accents add personality and interest. Now, let's take a visual tour of kitchens that embody the principles of contemporary elegance. Observe how sleek designs, luxurious materials, and thoughtful details come together to create a kitchen that is both beautiful and functional. Notice how the clean lines, high-quality finishes, and cohesive elements transform these spaces into modern, sophisticated environments. As we conclude our exploration of contemporary elegance, remember that creating a kitchen that blends modern sophistication with timeless beauty is achievable. By focusing on high-quality materials, sleek design elements, and thoughtful details, you can transform your kitchen into a space of refined luxury. Which elements of contemporary elegance stood out to you? How might you incorporate these ideas into your own kitchen? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If this video inspired you, please give it a like and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more design insights. Your ideal kitchen might be just a video away. Thank you for joining us on this journey of contemporary elegance. Until next time, may your home be filled with beauty and sophistication,